All right, so we got cut off, but we were just going over battle cry, and then we compared to a battle cry and the slogan as Chick-fil-A. So how Chick-fil-A has the slogan "Eat more chicken." Mrs. Granger, she has the slogan, her battle cry, which is "Look it up." That's why we have dictionaries. So anytime a kid probably asks her, "Well, what does this mean?" she would say, "Look it up." That's why we have the dictionary. All right, so we were also going to look at another question that took us between pages 10 and 11. It says, according to pages 10 through 11, why did Mrs. Granger require each student to have an acceptable dictionary? So here we're going to just continue to read here at even. Even before the school year started, when it was still summer, the summer before fifth grade for Nick and his friends, Mrs. Granger was already busy. Every parent of every new fifth grader got a letter from her. Mrs. Nick's mom read part of the letter aloud one night during dinner. Okay, so I'm keep going. It says every home is expected to have a good dictionary in it, so that each student, I'm going to go ahead and highlight there because I can already see the beginnings of my answer because it was asking why is she requiring it, so that each student can do their homework properly. So here they have to have the acceptable dictionary, and it tells me why the kids need to have this acceptable dictionary. It says so that he they can do their homework properly. So each student can do his or her homework properly. So here I'm looking at my answer choices. A, to look up unknown words in class. Well, here a key word says homework. So they need this dictionary at home, not for the work that they're going to be doing in the classroom, but for the work they're going to be doing at home. So that's not an option that I should choose. B, to properly complete their homework right here so that each student can do his or her homework. So that's a good possibility. I'm still going to look at the other answer choices. It says C, to use during library time. Again, homework being done properly. D, to find synonyms for vocabulary words. It doesn't talk about finding synonyms for vocabulary words. So my best answer choice should be here. So excuse me, to properly complete their homework. All right, let's see if there was any other question that we needed to go over. Nope, that was it. Tomorrow, in order to have success with your work, I am going to read chapter 3, but then it is your responsibility to read chapter 4. You cannot answer your questions without reading the chapter. We're also going to have a meeting tomorrow. If you have questions, reach out to me so that I can help you.